In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Lazada cart quickly for stores in Southeast Asia. Whether you're a casual shopper looking to review your saved items or an avid online buyer eagerly preparing for your next big shopping spree, I'll guide you through this process in a few quick and easy steps. Grab your device and let's get started. First, you want to ensure you're using the correct local version of the Lazada website. Based on your location, this could be lazada.com.ph for the Philippines, lazada.sg for Singapore, or lazada.co.id for Indonesia, among others. Once you're on the appropriate site for your country, you'll need to sign in to your Lazada account. Look for the login option on the homepage, often located at the top right corner. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to register, which is simple and straightforward by following the prompt to create an account. After you successfully log in, you'll gain access to all of Lazada's personalized features, including your saved cart. Now that you're signed in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here you'll see the familiar cart icon, usually represented by a shopping cart symbol. Go ahead and click on it. Clicking this icon is your direct path to viewing your current shopping cart. It's a quick way to check on those must-have items you've been eyeing or haven't yet taken through to purchase. After clicking on the cart icon, your shopping cart will open. You'll be presented with a detailed view of all the items you've saved along with their respective total costs. This is where you can review each item and consider things like price, quantity, or even explore any ongoing promotions before making a purchase decision. Pay attention to the total amount at the bottom, reflecting the cumulative cost of your selections. It's incredibly helpful for staying within budget or planning any additional purchases. To make the most of this feature, you can also edit your cart here. Perhaps you want to adjust quantities, remove items you've reconsidered, or even proceed directly to checkout. Lazada provides an intuitive interface to make these adjustments effortlessly. And there you have it. Accessing your Lazada cart swiftly and easily ensures you're always on top of your shopping game. It keeps your favorite picks just a click away. Thank you for watching today, and I hope this guide helps enhance your online shopping experience. Don't forget to click on that like button if you found this guide useful, and subscribe for more handy tips and tricks. Happy shopping!